I'm Andrew, the giant with the beard here at Bullion RV, and today I'm going to show you guys this 2027 Grand Design Solitude 310GK. It is 34 feet and 4 inches long and weighs a whopping 13,610 pounds dry. Let's go have a look. This unit will come with an inverter already installed, and we are prepped to have an onboard generator as well. There is a lot of good pass-through storage. We have a 6-point hydraulic auto leveling system. Got your universal hookups, your water filter, your furnace, your tankless on-demand hot water heater, and this will run off of 50 amps of power. Coming around to the back side where you will find your ladder leading to your fully walkable roof, as well as a prep for a backup camera. There are two really nice big powered awnings that will come all the way out on coming down your campsite. And you will also get two 30-pound completely full propane tanks when you drive this off the lot here at Bullion RV. Coming inside, come right to the living room and kitchen area. In the main area, you will find a freestanding dinette with 4 chairs, reclining theater seats, a couch that can pull out into another bed, and we've got your fireplace with a TV that will actually be able to telescope up and down. In your kitchen, there is a good amount of counter space when you account for the center island. We have a 4-burner cooktop, a really nice big oven, and your microwave, convection oven, air fryer combo up top as well. We've got a residential style refrigerator with French doors and a dedicated freezer. And there is a pantry with motion activated lights as well. Coming up into the bathroom, you will find your sink, your vanity and medicine cabinet, laundry basket, a floor flush porcelain toilet, and your shower. We got lots of shower heads here and a decent amount of height as well. Coming into the bedroom, you will find a true king-size bed, a step-in closet, another closet with prep for a washer dryer if you want to have one of those installed. Got your TV, your second air conditioner, and even more access to your laundry basket. So this is the 2027 Grand Design Solitude 310GK. If you're interested, come find me, the giant with the beard here at Bullion RV, or just give me a call, 218-408-8937. Again, my name is Andrew with Bullion RV, 218-408-8937, and I really hope to hear from you soon.